Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for clicking on today's video. If you can't already tell by the title of this video, this is my birthday vlog. I turned 29, which is just ridiculous and crazy. How has 29 years gone by? I do not know. My family and friends always make me feel so special when it comes to my birthday. We got up to some pretty exciting things, but of course, when exciting stuff happens, I suck at vlogging and I didn't pick up my camera as much as I wanted to. Make sure that you are following me on all of my social media. I have it all listed right here for you guys so you can follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat. I also have my website that you guys can go and check out. It's just right here. It's shaunaemily.com, where I write my blog posts, anything from beauty, lifestyle, fashion, travel, all that fun stuff. So head over there to read my most recent blog posts. And also don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video as well. So if you want to see what I got up to this year for my birthday, then just keep watching. Good morning, guys. It is my birthday. I can't believe it. I've turned 29 today. So right now I am just sitting in Leandra's room. Spencer and I are in Beausejour right now, by the way, at his parents' place. We are down south to celebrate my birthday with the fam. Got some plans for today. I will be vlogging my birthday today. So right now I'm just sitting in Leandra's room to do my makeup. I've got all my makeup in here, my brushes in my Mikasa brush set holder, and I'm ready to go. So I'm just going to quickly do my makeup for you guys and then we will get on with the day. Is it going?
Yeah, it's going.
Hey, we're at Fionn McCool's for my birthday dinner and Leandra's here. Let's go say hi. Thank you. I'm hungry. I'm so hungry. Let's go eat. Perfect, thank you.